Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix black or white screen issue on your Windows 11. As you can see guys, I am facing black screen issue. On screen only mouse cursor was showing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So let's get started. So for this guys, you need to hold Ctrl Shift key button from your keyboard and press delete button. Okay, and you can get this type of interface. From here you need to open the task manager, and in the task manager guys, here you can get details tab. Just click on it, and from here you need to find out explorer.exe. just select it, and in the bottom right side corner you can get end task option. Just click on it. Okay, in case if you are not getting explorer.exe, so you can follow this method. Click on file, click on run new task, and here you need to type explorer.exe. okay, after this guys, just click on OK. It will restart your file explorer. So after doing this guys, it will solve your problem 100%, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and simple method to fix this problem. In case still you are facing same type of issue guys, now what you need to do, you need to directly turn off your computer or laptop. So this is the easy and simple method to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.